What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're well. We're going to go over BTC, a bullish and a bearish scenario. Currently sitting at 26.8. That 0.11, up 0.11 on the day. See market cap 522 billion. 24-hour volume 8.99 billion. So let's hop into the chart. So this is the bullish scenario. We are currently sitting at the 0.786. So it could offer a bounce, and if we can come all the way up and break the bullish confirmation, then we can see continuation up in a wave 3. Now, of course, everyone is watching this head and shoulders. So even if we bounce here, if we fail to break that bullish confirmation, we roll over, then we'll have this head and shoulders as well as a descending triangle, and that could take you down to, we have strong support at 23K. Technical target of the head and shoulders all the way down at 19K. I don't know if we'd go all the way down there, but it is something to keep an eye on in my opinion. We failed to hold the daily cross, the daily bullish cross, which isn't a good sign either. I do think the DXY will come down, potentially head and shoulders. If we end up going up and breaking that high, then this wave count simply isn't finished yet, but we have a left shoulder ahead, potential right shoulder. So we'll see if the DXY starts to roll over or if we do end up going up and breaking that high. But in the short term, we are oversold on the 4-hour, I think 1 hour as well as bullish divergence. Yeah, really strong bullish divergence on the hourly. So that could definitely offer a bounce. So what we need to see is if we can create an impulse or we simply get a 3-wave move, which would be corrective, and then we see continuation down. So keep an eye on that. If we can get a 5-wave impulse, that would be the first sign of a potential move to the upside. And of course, the massive sign would be a break of that bullish confirmation that you're going to continue up. Otherwise, the bearish scenario, even if we do bounce, we fail to break that high, we roll over, potentially get rejected by this down sloping trend line, and then see continuation down to potentially break this low of 25K, and that could potentially take you down to 23K. We'll have to see how everything plays out. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, for my US Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange to trade spot and to trade futures. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. If you deposit $100, you get $20. If you deposit $1,000, you get $200 completely for free. My signals are $10 a month, not only for crypto, but as well as Forex, daily crypto analysis for many pairs, my exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, as well as Forex signals. We're currently in 3 Forex trades. We're in 2 crypto trades. All links down below. Over 2,000 members in the Discord. Basic access is free. Go check it out. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.